Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to easily fastest your Huawei. This trick is for every single of the Huawei made with the Android 4 and above. For this operation you need to go to your menu for settings, go to system, about the phone, hit 5 times boot number here. And now you have a secret menu, the development option. Go there, go to the development option and search on the down. It's gonna be a background process limit. As you see, in the standard is a standard limit. This is the first things that you have to do. Try at most 4 process. You can try 1 to 3 or no background. That's I not it's I not prefer this. The 4 is the best option to make the fast of your phone and don't drain the battery. So if you choose the 4 process, on the background you have only 4 process. 5, 6 and 7, 8 gonna be closed instantly, so your battery will be more life and your phone gonna be fastest than on the standard limit. So put the 4 and voila, we have only 4 process on the background. So I hope the video is helpful for you and for your Huawei. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel. See you by next video. Hey.